In this video, I'll show you how to use the mystery fraction activity. Here we have a number line between 0 and 1, and we have this location that we need to identify. We can identify it as a fraction whose numerator and denominator are chosen from this set of values, the numbers from 1 to 15. So I'm going to guess that this point here is at 1/3. So let's check that out. I'll tap Make Fraction, and I see a preview of the numerator and denominator of my fraction. So I'd like to try the value 1/3, so I'm going to take this numerator, which is glowing, indicating that I need to actually say what the numerator should be, and I'm going to drag that here to 1 to merge those together. Now for the denominator, I would like to make a denominator of 3. So I'll take the denominator and drag it to 3. And that creates the fraction 1/3. And that's too big. Let's try another fraction, maybe 1/5. So this time, instead of dragging my numerator and denominator to these values, I'm just going to tap on the value that I would like. So for numerator, I'd like that to be 1. And for denominator, I'd like that to be 5. So that created 1/5, and that's a little too small. So how about 1/4? 1/4. Ah, that looks like I got it, and I'll check. And indeed, I'm correct. So on each of these first 10 pages, we have a fraction challenge for you to solve. And on any of them, even though it starts with a particular challenge, you can press the New Fraction button, and each time you do, it will give you a new challenge. And you should do this before you start solving, because after you do, you'll see all of the work that you did to solve a particular problem, and you won't want that there for the next problem that you solve. Finally, on page 11 of this web sketch, you can make a challenge to share with your friend. If you were making this challenge for me, I would look away, and you could come here and pick your fraction. Perhaps you would want 7/9, and now that point is at 7/9, and then you would then press Hide Fraction, and this challenge would be ready for me to solve.